Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part one of a two-part McCall's sewing pattern haul. I purchased both this part of the haul and the second part of the haul in May 2019. The reason why I'm splitting them up is because I had some problems with the first store I went to. Although I initially went to one store to purchase McCall's patterns they had on sale, so I was only able to pick up 4. Because of this, I went to a different store later on in the week and picked up the rest of the patterns. That will be coming in a later video. The first pattern in this mini haul is M7932. It's a skirt with the paper bag waist to it. It also has drawstrings, which will make it very comfortable to wear. I really do look forward to making this pattern, and because it looks fairly simple to make, I believe it won't take me a long time to finish it. The next pattern in this haul is M7937. It is a pattern for a two-piece outfit. I'm not sure if the design of these clothes will suit my body, but I'm fairly confident that the pants, specifically View D, will look good on me. I look forward to making this sometime in the near future. The next pattern in this haul is M7927. It's a formal dress pattern by David Turera. I hope I pronounced his last name right. I really like this pattern, even though it's not the kind of dress that I would normally like to wear, but if I tweak a few parts of it, I can see myself wearing this dress in the future. The last pattern in this haul is M7926. It is also a formal dress pattern, but the skirt is shorter. I really am interested in the neckline, but I'm a little bit wary of the pattern itself. It is a create-it pattern, which means it has interchangeable pieces that are supposed to create a custom-made dress. I've tried patterns like this before with varying levels of success, so I'm very curious to see if this one is easy to work with, as well as how uniformly the pattern pieces fit together. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.